I still remember, there was a time when United States of America imposed ban on Huawei. Well, on that time, everyone thought that this is the end of Huawei. Even I myself thought that it would be very difficult for Huawei to gain success once again. But Huawei proved everyone wrong, included myself, because Huawei has not only become the #1 mobile brand in China, but also is causing significant problems for the United States when they attempt to completely eliminate Huawei from their network. Yes guys, according to a new report, US companies are now allegedly facing difficulties in completely pulling off Huawei from its core operations. Well, just imagine how proud Huawei must be feeling about this right now, because the country which banned it can't eliminate it completely. The latest information even reveals that the US military department is unable to fully avoid doing business with Huawei or companies that rely on it. Not only that, on July 1, the Federal Communication Commission aka FCC released the 4th report on the Rip and Replace program. The analysis shows that only 12% of the US firms in this program successfully managed to remove Huawei equipment from their network. FCC notes that out of 126 US companies, only 14 applicants have completed their work. After appropriate funding, they managed to replace Huawei or China-made equipment with alternatives present in the foreign market. Other companies are constantly requesting to extend the deadline for the completion of the respective project. For instance, Un-Stoppable asked for a 6-month extension to finish the Rip and Replace work and bring in the Nokia network equipment. Un-Stoppable also cites that it is looking for reliable alternatives that can help the company comply with the program, but doing so will require more effort and time without full funding. Alright, so this was related to the Huawei's core work. Now let's talk about the breakthrough Huawei has made with its chipset, which is also causing pressure to a lot of big companies. So companies like Qualcomm and MediaTek, which are the two big names when it comes to the chipset making, are now feeling pressure from Huawei's comeback in the Chinese market, because they know that Huawei, in collaboration with SMIC, successfully made the 7nm chipset, and now they are working on making the 5nm chipset as well. That is why they think that Huawei gonna capture all their clients in the Chinese market. Again, how proud Huawei must be feeling about this right now. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And can Huawei also dominate the global market? If yes, share your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.